QUBT stock analysis and QUBT stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything with quantum computing stock. Especially now it's sitting at $16.58. Honestly, I'm just looking to take it further up this next week because look at this, right? So I've been sort of buying here for such a long time, like even this, because now it's in the way, I moved it to the side. But all where it began, it was not just 651, it was quite actually lower. Look at this video link. This is the first pump, right? And that was made when it was 265 at the time, 6 months ago. I mean, from 265 took it to like 27. That's almost like an 18x. Bro, my brain's not working now. I don't know how much x that is, but ultimately I'm still open-minded for longs, and those longs are only going to be taken if there is a confirmation here. So I'm saying this double break. And if that's not the case, then I guess I'm not buying. Very, very simple. So all I'm doing here is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I make it 5, 10K per month trading, then yeah, sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye, Ninja.